If you're entitled to a restricted license, there's sort of three requirements in order to obtain it. First of all, you have to be enrolled in DUI school. And usually the DUI school will electronically notify the DMV as well as the court that you're enrolled. So you have to be enrolled in DUI school. Secondly, you have to present an SR-22, which is a document that you get from your insurance company verifying that you're insured and assuring the DMV that they will monitor you that your insurance doesn't lapse. And thirdly, you have to go to the DMV and pay a reissuance fee. And when you do all of these things, you get your restricted license. Now, one question that people ask is really about the scope of the restriction. And it's actually fairly broad in terms of what you can do. You can drive to and from work. You can also drive to and from work-related activities. So if you're a real estate agent, for example, it's more than just driving to and from the office. You may need to drive clients around. You may need to go look at properties. You may need to go to industry events. So it's things that have a logical connection to your work. But if you get caught driving in a situation where it's not at all connected to your work or DUI school, like, for example, going to Magic Mountain, going to a concert, something like that, then technically you would be outside the scope of your restriction and you could be cited and arrested for driving on a suspended license or driving outside the scope of your restriction. That's pretty rare, but it does happen. One piece of good news, if you've been arrested for DUI, if you're charged with DUI, it may be possible to avoid the suspension, the driver's license suspension altogether. Or it may be possible to maneuver the case so that you get a restricted license even sooner. If you're in this situation, we invite you to call us here at Schaus Law Group. Tell us the circumstances. We'll see what we can do for you.